This is so awesome. This was sent to me. This wireless portable monitor, rechargeable, built-in battery, you name it, you need this. And let me explain why. Okay, for starters, you don't need any cords connected to this. Right now, it is connected wirelessly, okay, to my phone here, and I'm not copywriting, I'm not violating any copyright videos. This is my video. The sound even goes in to the monitor. There's speakers, little speakers built in. I can, there, I'm battling over the volume on this thing here. So you can connect this to your computer, you can connect this to your phone, your tablet, Apple devices, Android devices, Windows devices, you name it, you can connect it, you can stream it. If for some reason you have some problems, they do supply you with C-to-C cables, 2 of them, one you use for charging, and then you have this HDMI. This connects to the HDMI end connects to your device, and the other one looks like it might be, I think it's a data port that connects to the monitor here. They give you a charge block. A lot of these companies are no longer giving charge blocks out. So you take this one here, it has C port, and this has C port, and you just use the C to C, connect it, charge it up. Now, this particular one comes with a stand. Now, I've had one of these before, and it did not come with a stand. And at first I thought, okay, I'm kind of intrigued by the stand. I'm going to be honest with you, it's kind of hit or miss, because I torque these things down as tight as I can in the back of the stand, and it could still flip around, and it's only held on by a magnet. So if you bump it the least bit, chances are it's going to come. I mean, it's a pretty strong magnet. You got to really pull. See, I can pick it up and the base is not falling off. What I mean by having to tighten it down is this fitting on the back side here, as well as the one that controls your angle. You can adjust the height up and down. I like that. Do I think this is garbage? No. But I think it needed some improvement. Now, you can also bend this back, and you could put it on the stand as such, or this comes with its own kickstand. And this is not plastic. This kickstand is metal. Boom. There you go. And it sets. Even this way, because this will orient itself. So if I turn my device, it's supposed to, I think I've lost connection. I think I hit a, oh, right there we go. See how this kind of flips? It orients itself the way that you want it to. So on the back side here, you do have 2 mount holes. So if you have a bracket that you put the screws in, you can mount this using the screws. It does have your connectors over here. So your HD and your 2 USB-C ports. You have your on-off, you have volumes, you have menu buttons over on the side. There's nothing on the front indicating it, but I mean, you typically don't use it. Once you set it, you forget it. Remember that saying? I love this. I love how you can charge it up, you can take it with you, you can set it next to your computer, and you can go work, and you've got another screen. You don't have to worry about plugging it into the wall and using these cords, but they do give you cords if you do need to plug it in for better connection. In the end, would I recommend this? Definitely. I would recommend this to anybody, family, friends, you, my friends out there watching this. I love having fun with these kind of products. The only thing is you might have to get a little used to the stand, but it's not something that you're not going to put this in a 4x4 and go 4-wheeling with it and it's going to be bouncing all over the place. You're going to get it in place, you're going to put the monitor on there, and you're going to forget about it. Boom. Just like that. So get your order in while they're still available. I love this. I use this all the time. I don't have anything bad to say about it. Enjoy yours when you get it.